Hey guys, Tasha here. Hope you're doing well. Today, I am going to give you a tour of what you may ask? Of my plants. So today, we are going to go through my house and see the plants that I have as a minimalist, which is actually a lot of houseplants. I previously did not have a lot of houseplants. This all happened in the last 6 months, but what had happened was my mom started giving me random plants that were easy to take care of, and I got addicted, and now I have a lot, like especially of these guys because they're easy to grow even just with water. At any rate, plants are awesome and they surround me with energy and happiness. So yes, I am a minimalist, but not when it comes to plants. However, I totally feel like it's okay to make as much space as you would like in your life for things that really bring you joy or extra oxygen. Most of these plants I only water once a week or whenever I remember to. But if they can't deal with it, then they die, and then I don't buy them anymore. So that's how that goes. So basically, I'm going to be giving you a tour of all the plants that have survived my lack of attention.
My minimal attention, because I'm a minimalist.
All the plants that have survived my lack of attention these past 6 months. I'm gonna say like 90% of the plants have made it throughout this period. There was one that I just couldn't figure it out. Like, there's 2 of them, right? And one is perfectly fine, but the other one under the same conditions, it hurts a little. It hurts a little because I thought I was doing real good, and then I don't know what happened, but you'll see that one later. Maybe. It's kind of painful to think about. But before we get to the tour, just wanted to say, if you're new around here, I am a mom of 2 that talks about minimalism and intentional living. And if that sounds interesting to you, I hope you might consider subscribing. That would really help my channel out, and it would help me to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by my birthday on June 26th. All right, let's get to the tour. I'm so sorry, but I am not a plant expert, and therefore I also do not know all of the names of the plants I'm going to show you, but they're pretty and pretty easy to take care of, so that's why I wanted to share. All right, let's go. My mom said that these are fortune plants. At least that's what they're called in the Philippines. At any rate, I happened upon a fortune of them last fall for free, and so I gave some to my mom and she was so happy. I only have to water them every 1 or 2 weeks. Here's a very thin snake plant. Oh wait, I got you. Okay, it's still thin, but there's more to it than you thought. Here's another one in my son's room. My mom gave me a bunch and they were teeny at first, but now they're shooting up. Here's a close-up of the plants in the background of many of my videos. Up top, I believe, is Pothos. I have a few types of plants in here. I think the purplish one is a purple heart. It started out as one short stem that my friend gave to me, but now there's like 3 stems and 2 of them are hanging down. That in itself is really cool to me. The third one down is the blue star fern, I think. I got it from Trader Joe's in one small pot, and now there's 3 bigger pots all throughout the house. It's kind of dry though. I know I need to run the humidifier more regularly. Check out that new frond growing. Oh, look at my ashy hand. That's going to be great for the video. Thank you, excessive hand washing. Alright, here's a retake now that I've applied hand cream. Here's a giant snake plant in another part of my room with a little fun curl at the base. Alexa is rebooting. Here on my hubby's nightstand, I don't know what this is, but I got it from Trader Joe's and it survived, so that's cool. And then up above is another Pathos, I think. So yeah, this is the view of these plants on this side of the bed saying hi to the plants on the other side of the bed. Here's another blue star fern in my bathroom. I think it's doing all right. The bathroom is definitely more humid than our showers, but I still need to give this a little more TLC. My best friend gave me a bunch of these beautiful hanging harnesses. Thanks, dude! Now let's look at the plants on my dressers. Right now it's mostly Pothos. So that's an African violet I got on sale for $1. Here are some Inchplants. I love them because the leaves have a purple underside.
That succulent on the end, I don't know what kind it is. It hasn't really grown, but it hasn't died. At any rate, here's one last look at all the plants in my bedroom. Let's go downstairs and say hi to my random fern. I think it's a Boston fern. I also got this one for free. It had been outside at someone's residence, but they like to get rid of all of their plants after the summer is done. I have kept it alive. It definitely needs me to go through and remove the dead fronds though. Here is my palm. I also got this for free, and I think this is a Yucca plant. It's very pointy. So I put it by the light switch so my kids can't turn on the lights unnecessarily and waste electricity. On my kitchen table, I have some more Pothos and an Inchplant for now, and then the plant that I had talked about earlier. See the one to the right of it that looks like Pringle chips? That's what it used to look like too. But I guess the past is the past and we gotta move on, so let's move on to this Inchplant that has the purple underbelly. On my windowsill, I also got these from Trader Joe's for just $1.99 each, and they were teeny tiny. They had different colored blooms on each one, but only the pink one is continuing to bloom right now. They all are like 3 times the original size at this point, and I probably should repot them soon. But I mean, I guess they're cool. I mean, they survived this long, so that's great.
Do you have any easy to care for plants that you would recommend? If so, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. At any rate, here's to simple and intentional living. Peace out. See you soon.